Selling a home in conservatorship. What you need and what to avoid. Selling a home is never simple. There are emotions, deadlines, negotiations, and plenty of moving parts. But when that home falls under a conservatorship, the challenges increase dramatically. Every move carries legal weight, emotional pressure, and the potential for mistakes that can slow down the case or even invite disputes. Whether the conservator is a family member trying to do their best or a professional fiduciary with experience, most are not prepared to manage real estate transactions on top of their legal responsibilities. That is where I come in. I understand the sensitivity, compliance, and coordination required in conservatorship cases. I make sure the real estate side is handled correctly, efficiently, and respectfully without pulling the attorney into unnecessary logistics. Here is how I keep a conservatorship sale compliant, smooth, and moving forward. Step 1. Confirm conservatorship authority before doing anything. In conservatorship sales, nothing happens without authority. I never assume the conservator has full control over real estate. I always begin by reviewing the letters of conservatorship to determine what powers are granted. Is the authority limited? Is it general? Does the sale require a court order? I never take chances. If court approval is needed, I align every step of my actions with the attorney's legal strategy. My focus is to ensure the property transaction is not only valid, but also fully compliant. That prevents delays, disputes, and costly mistakes. Step 2. Protect the conservatee's best interest and the attorney's time. Selling a conservatorship property is not about pushing a deal through at any cost. It is about protecting the conservatee's best interest while making sure the attorney can stay focused on legal work instead of logistics. I manage the entire property process with professionalism and care. That means explaining every step to the conservator in simple language, handling vendors, cleanouts, photography, valuations, listings, and showings, coordinating communication so the attorney is updated only when needed. I take the burden of the real estate process off the conservator's shoulders while making the attorney look good by keeping everything clean, compliant, and on track. Step 3. Flag risks and handle vendor access securely. Vacant conservatorship properties are prime targets for problems. I have seen homes broken into, damaged by neglect, or flagged by city inspectors. Left unmanaged, these issues reduce value and create legal headaches. That is why I secure every property I manage. I control vendor access, oversee contractors, and make sure nothing happens without proper oversight. If a vendor steps out of line, I handle it immediately. If I see signs that the city may get involved, I resolve the issue before it becomes a violation. Every action is documented with photos and updates, so the attorney and conservator have a clear paper trail for their files. Step 4. Provide valuations that hold up in court. In conservatorship cases, valuations matter. Courts want documentation. Attorneys want reliable data. Conservators need clarity. Automated online estimates are not enough. That is why I provide detailed, conservative valuations backed by data. My comparative market analyses, CMAs, include real comps, supporting notes, and logic that stands up under court review. This allows attorneys to defend pricing decisions and conservators to feel confident about their actions. My valuations are not inflated to please families or deflated to move properties faster. They are realistic, professional, and legally defensible. Step 5. Manage buyer expectations from the start. Conservatorship sales are not like traditional sales. Buyers who do not understand the process often get frustrated and back out halfway through escrow. That wastes time and reduces the property's momentum on the market. I prevent that by educating buyers and their agents up front. I explain how decision-making works under conservatorship, whether court approval is required for the sale, what timelines to expect for filings and approvals. By setting the right expectations early, I reduce fallout, protect the timeline, and ensure only serious buyers move forward. Step 6. Maintain privacy and dignity. Conservatorship sales involve more than property. They often involve vulnerable individuals who deserve respect and protection. I take that responsibility seriously. I protect privacy at every stage, from managing access to the property to the way it is presented in the market. I treat the home with care and make sure families feel reassured rather than exploited. There are no gimmicks, no high-pressure tactics, and no unnecessary noise. Just professionalism, respect, and efficiency. Why it matters. Selling a home in conservatorship is not just about signing contracts and closing deals. It is about navigating legal authority, protecting vulnerable individuals, and balancing the interests of the conservatee, the family, the attorney, and the court. Mistakes can cost time, money, and trust. Delays can frustrate families and create unnecessary legal complications. That is why you need a partner who knows how to keep things compliant, respectful, and moving forward. The bottom line. A conservatorship home sale comes with unique challenges, but it does not need to turn into a source of stress or risk. With the right process and the right real estate professional, the sale can move forward smoothly while staying fully aligned with the law. I confirm authority before taking action. I protect the conservatee's best interest while saving the attorney's time. I secure the property, provide defensible valuations, and manage buyers so no one is caught off guard. And above all, I handle the process with respect and professionalism. Frequently asked questions. Do you always need court approval to sell a conservatorship property? Not always. It depends on the authority granted in the letters of conservatorship. Some cases require court approval, while others grant general authority to the conservator. Why is it risky to sell a conservatorship home without professional help? These sales involve legal and emotional complexity. Without the right guidance, mistakes can create disputes, delays, and even legal challenges. How are buyers different in conservatorship sales? Many buyers are not familiar with the process. That is why educating them upfront is critical to prevent withdrawals and delays during escrow. Ready to handle your conservatorship sale the right way? Selling a home in conservatorship is about more than closing a deal. It is about keeping the process compliant, transparent, and respectful for all involved. The conservator should not feel overwhelmed, and the attorney should not be dragged into property management tasks. At 833probate.com, we specialize in real estate solutions for probate, trust, and conservatorship cases. Our team handles everything from property security to valuations and sales, giving attorneys, conservators, and families peace of mind. Simply scan the QR code to get started, or contact us today at 833probate. That's 833-776-2243. Visit 833probate.com or email info@833probate.com. Call 833probate today to schedule a consultation and learn how we can help you sell conservatorship property the right way.